Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to learn remaining question of IMO Olympiad workbook chapter 4 simple equations for class 7. Watch part 1 video for first 10 question. Link is given in a description. Please watch video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Question number 11, solve for x. Now here we have to find out the value of x. But here we cannot directly add because their denominators are different. To make the denominator same, we here multiply by 2 and here by 1. So 2 into 6x minus 2 by 18 plus 3x plus 5 by 18 is equal to 1 by 3. Now here 2 6 are 12x minus 2 2s are 4 plus 3x plus 5 by 18 is equal to 1 by 3. Now 12x plus 3x is 15x and minus 4 plus 5 is plus 1 and this 18 will go this side, 1 by 3 into 18. So 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18. So our equation is 15x plus 1 is equal to 6. Now this plus 1 become minus 1 this side. So 15x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 5 by 15. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So x is equal to 1 by 3. So here A is correct answer. Question number 12. Which of the following equations is not same as 15 plus 3x is equal to 3? So now we start with A. 3x is equal to 3 minus 15. We take this minus 15 this side, it will become plus 15 plus 3x is equal to 3. That is same as the given equation. Now option B, 15 minus 3 is equal to minus 3x. Now we take minus 3x this side, so it will become plus 3x. And this minus 3 will become plus 3 this side, and this equation is same as the given equation. Now option D, 15 by 3 plus 3x by 3 is equal to 3 by 3. This means 15 plus 3x by 3 is equal to 3 by 3. Now here 15 plus 3x is equal to 3 by 3 into 3. This 3 will get cancelled, so this equation is same as the given equation. Here only option C is not same as the given equation, so C is correct answer. Question number 13. If the sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 188, find the numbers. Consecutive odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. So if one number is x, then the other consecutive number is x plus 2. So x, another number is x plus 2 and their sum is equal to 188. So here x plus x is 2x, 2x plus 2 is 188. Now 2x is equal to 188 minus 2, this plus 2 will become minus 2 this side. 2x is equal to 186. Now x is equal to 186 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18 and 2 3s are 6. So x is 93 and other number is x plus 2 means 93 plus 2 means 95. So that numbers are 93 and 95. D is correct answer. Question number 14. Ram's father's age is 3 years more than 2 times Ram's age. Ram's father's is 45 years old. Form the equation to find Ram's age. So we assume that Ram's age is x and his father's age is 3 years more than 2 times Ram's age. 2 times means 2x and 3 years more than 2 times means 2x plus 3 and his father's age is 45. So our equation is 2x plus 3 is equal to 45. A is correct answer. Question number 15. A shopkeeper sells bananas in two types of boxes. One small box and one large. A large box contains as many as 6 small boxes plus 2 loose bananas. Form an equation which gives the number of bananas in each small box if the number of bananas in large box is 50. So here we consider the number of bananas as x, and according to this question the large box contain 6 small box means 6x plus 2 loose banana means plus 2, and total bananas in one box is 50. So our equation is 6x plus 2 is equal to 50. C is correct answer. Question number 16. 1/4 of a pole is painted red, 2/5 is painted blue, and the remaining 21 meter is painted green. Find the height of the pole. We assume the height is x. According to the question, 1/4 of height is painted red and 2/5 painted blue means 2 by 5x, and remaining 21 meter is painted green. So plus 21 meter is painted green is equal to the total height. So here we take x one side, so this x will become minus this side and this x will become minus this side. So equation will be x minus 1 by 4x minus 2 by 5x is equal to 21. Now we make their denominator same by multiplying here by 20, here by 5 and here by 4. So their denominator will be same. So 20 will be the denominator and 20 into x is 20x minus 5 into 1 is 5x minus 2 into 4 is 8x is equal to 21. So 20x minus 5x is 15x, 15x minus 8x is 7x. 7x is equal to 21 into 20. So x is equal to 21 into 20 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21, and 3 into 20 is 60. X is equal to 60 means the height of pole is 60 meter. B is correct answer. Question number 17. There are some lotus flowers in a pond and some bees are hovering around. If one bee lands on each flower, one bee will be left. If two bees land on each flower, one flower will be left. Then the number of flowers and bees respectively are dash. So here we first assume the number of flowers as x, and according to the case 1, if one bee land on each flower, one bee will be left. So then number of bees will be x plus 1. And in second case, if two bees land on each flower, one flower will be left. Then number of bees is equal to x minus 1 into 2. So this gives 2x minus 2. Then the equation will be x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 2. So here 1, this minus 2 will become 2 plus 2 here, and then 2x, this plus x become minus x here. So 1 plus 2 is 3 and 2x minus x is x. So x is equal to 3. X is number of flowers. So number of flowers are 3. And number of bees means x plus 1 means 3 plus 1. Bees is equal to 3 plus 1 means 4. So number of flowers and bee respectively are 3 and 4. A is correct answer. Question number 18. Match the following. Option 1. Arjun's father age is 5 years more than 4 times Arjun's age. Find Arjun's age if his father is 37 years old. We assume the Arjun's age as x and his father's age is 5 years more than 4 times Arjun's age, means 4x plus 5 is equal to 37. So 4x is equal to 37 minus 5 is 32, and x is equal to 32 by 4 is equal to 8. So here Arjun's age is 8 years. Now option 2, Ramesh says that he has 8 notebooks, more than 4 times the number of notebook Anuj has. Ramesh has 48 notebooks. How many notebooks does Anuj have? So we consider the Anuj have X notebooks and Ramesh has 8 notebooks, more than 4 times of Anuj notebooks, means 4x plus 8, and total he have 48 notebooks. So 4x is equal to 48 minus 8 is 40, and x is equal to 40 by 4 is equal to 10, means Anuj have 10 notebooks. Now option 3, Varun says that he has 11 eraser, more than 5 times the number of eraser Samir has. Varun has 56 eraser. How many eraser does Samir have? So we here consider Samir have X eraser and Varun has 11 erasers, more than 5 times of Samir's eraser, means 5x plus 11 is equal to, total he has 56 eraser. So 5x is equal to 56 minus 11 is 45, and x is equal to 45 divided by 5, 9. So Samir have 9 eraser. So here B is correct answer. Question number 19. A number consists of 2 digits whose sum is 9. If 27 is added to the number, its digits are interchanged. Which of the given steps is correct to find the number? So here step 1 is the let the unit digit be x. So this step is correct. Step 2, then 10th digit will be 9 minus x because their sum is 9. So 10 digit is 9 minus x, and that number is equal to place value of tens place is this and unit place is this. So here 10 into 9 is 90 and 10 into x is minus 10x, this plus x. So this step is also correct. Step 3, adding 27 to the number. So here 90 minus 9x plus 27. So 90 plus 27 is 117 minus 9x. So this step is correct. Step 4, the number with interchanged digit. Then this will be the tens place, means 10x, and this will be the ones place, means 10x minus x is 9x. Step also correct. Step 5, this is equal to this. This step is correct. So if we solve this, we will get x, means x is equal to 6. So here unit digit is 6 and tens digit is 9 minus x, means 3. So this step is correct, and that number is 36. This step is correct. So here all steps are correct. D is correct answer. Question number 20. Study the following statements carefully and select the correct option. P. If equation is this, then x is equal to 9. So we first solve P. Here 3 into x is 3x plus 3 into 3 is 9. Now minus 2 into x is minus 2x, and minus 2 minus 1 is equal to plus 2 is equal to 5 into x is 5x, and 5 into 5 is minus 25. Now this 3x minus 2x is equal to x, and 9 plus 2 is equal to 11 is equal to 5x minus 25. So we take 25 this side, it will become plus 25, and we take x this side, it will become minus x. So 4x is equal to 36 and x is equal to 36 by 4. 4 9s are 36. So x is equal to 9. So here x is equal to 9 is correct. Now option Q, this, then y is equal to 5. So now here this means y plus 3 is by 2 is equal to 2y by 5 plus 1. So here we make denominator same by multiplying by 5. So y plus 3 by 2 is equal to 2y plus 5 by 5. We do cross multiplication, means 5 y plus 3 is equal to 2 into 2y plus 5. 5 into y is 5y plus 5 into 3 is 15 is equal to 2 into 2y is 4y and 2 into 5 is 10. 5y minus 4y is y and 10 minus 15 is minus 5. So here y is equal to minus 5. So this answer is incorrect. So here P is true and Q is false. C is correct answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.